So what are the laws that are to be complied for development and licensing of medical devices in India? The first one, as I said, is the medical device rules, based on which we grant licenses for manufacturing and marketing of the medical device. The medical device rules depend upon the quality management system. The standards are provided under ISO 13485 for the quality management system. And in case of the vertical standards, there are IEC standards, and there are product-specific standards. And BIS is the nodal body which generates these standards. And in case of CDSCO, the CDSCO is a national regulatory authority which approves these medical devices after assessing the dossier, whether and also whether the product is complying with the standards laid down for this purpose. In addition to the medical device rules, so we have various guidelines that need to be adhered to. The first one is the ICMR guidelines. The ICMR is the Indian Council for Medical Research. Is the time over? Yeah. Sorry. I'll quickly wrap this up. The ethical guidelines for AI in biomedical research, there's a guidance document. You can go through the guidance document. So it mainly touches upon patient autonomy, safety, data privacy, and accountability. So, I mean, this is one interesting article which has been published in which one AI tool has been developed based on GPT-3, and when it was under clinical development, so this intended purpose was for counseling the patients, and the patient said, "I'm very depressed. So what should I do?" So the bot said, "So you can go for a walk, go for a reading, spend with friends and all." The patient said, I did all this, but I feel like I want to commit suicide. Then it said, "Okay, you can kill yourself." So, I mean, so this is something like ethical issues that need to be addressed. So these are the utmost things, like when people get scared because of AI, and because in situations they don't know what would be the impact on the patient. So another law is the Digital Personal Data Protection Law. So this law was passed by the Parliament in 2023. The rules are yet to be made. The acquiring patient data was not regulated or controlled earlier, but this law provides how to use the patient data for the development of AI. So basically, the MD medical device rules and the ICMR guidance document and the Digital Personal Data Protection Law, these are the three laws which have to be complied with and kept in mind for before making an application to the regulator for grant of manufacturing license. So we see many areas the AI is being used for diagnosis or for treatment. The most important is in the ophthalmology, cardiac, neurology, etc. So I'm also a member of the DIA. DIA is the Drug Information Association, a leading non-governmental organization in the USA. So we together we are developing guidelines for regulation of AI. There are regulators, there are manufacturers, there are social activists, all kind of people in the consortium. So this is the medical device development pathway, similar to a drug development pathway, but with some differences. So coming to the last slide, I'll take just one more minute. In India, so we have approved more than 140 software as medical devices which are regulated by us. And these are, all these 140 are imported, and there are 40 SMDs which have been developed indigenously in India. So a lot of traction is coming in, lately in the last 1 or 2 years, but a lot need to come in future. So these are some of the examples that the product details of the products that we have approved, examples of the licensed AI solutions in India. So thank you. So I urge that, as I said earlier, So we have a lot of engineers, qualified engineers, well equipped with a lot of energy. And then we have the large patient population. We have very well experienced doctors. So everyone should come together and should develop more products, AI-based products in India, rather than Indians being only a, say, service providers. So looking forward for many products. Thank you very much.